Okay, so we are staying in the Hotel Romanico Palace Hotel on Via Boncompagni in Rome, Italy. So in this room, this is a junior suite classroom. So we just walked through the door. You have a wonderful view as you walk through. Sorry for the mess. We just got here and unpacked, but here is the bathroom. So you walk in, there is a jacuzzi tub, and there are actually mirrors, not mirrors, windows behind the white shower curtains. But it's actually really nice because you can pull the shower curtains and have a city view if you like. There is a rainfall shower head that goes down into the tub, so the water comes out of the ceiling, which is lovely. Nice mirror, you know, if you want to admire yourself as you're showering. Then there are definitely hooks for your robes and towels. These are Juliet style windows, so you can actually open the windows completely to have, again, fresh air and the view of the city. This is the toilet area. There is a bidet, of course. Then we have a heated towel rack. So the white towels are what comes with the rooms. We also like to bring our own towels, so the blue and black towels and washcloths are ours. But plenty of stuff, space for storage. So that's my little toiletry bag and our laundry bag here. And then a beautiful large mirror. And then a makeup mirror and hair blow dryer. Nice vanity. And those are all of our toiletries that we bought. But walking out of the bathroom, I will note that you do need to have your room key in the slot in order for the lighting and air conditioning and heating to work in the room. And then these are the light switches and panels for different areas in the room itself, as you can see. So moving along, there's a lot of storage and shelving. There are no dressers, but lots of closet spaces and shelving. So here is a distressed antique unit that you can open, and it has 2 shelves in it. Guess we don't have anything in there right now. We just got here, but did manage to stack my stuff on top of there. Then you have a formal desk area. This room junior suite that we got came with a complimentary bottle of red wine, which is lovely. We will try that. We went to a lovely restaurant this evening called Al Forno del Sofriti, and it was wonderful, by the way. But we did get some takeout pizza. So this is a nice desk area. There's a drawer in the desk. We just hung our coats and jackets on there. Put shoes in a neat area because I'm OCD. But this is the living room area. So there's a Roman style couch here. I put my little blanket on there just because I was laying here earlier. And a TV mounted in the corner with another nice mirror and another console where we put our stuff. But again, one of the nice things about this room, in addition to the beautiful curtains, is that each window has a full Juliet balcony. So if we wanted, we could move the couch out of the way, open these, and as you can see, there's the balcony area right out there with a beautiful view of the city. So again, taking you around the rest of the room. Got the fun Roman style curtains and paint in the room, but you'll notice that the curtains are branded. Those are Romanico Palace Hotel curtains. And then you have the beautiful satin gold color, but this is my favorite part, guys. Again, the Juliet balconies are amazing here because you can open them completely. So let me step back, open the balcony doors completely, and have a walk out onto the balcony itself to have a beautiful view of the city. And this is about 10 o'clock at night, but just gorgeous. City views, sounds, light, life, right by the Romanico Hotel sign, but it's not lit, so again, it keeps it nice and calm, but beautiful Juliet balcony for us to be able to use any time of the day to open up. We're here during February, so it is winter, but the breeze that comes through these windows and the lovely sounds are just amazing. Close these back. All right, and then moving into the bedroom area, again, you have these units here. Each of these 3 units are actually like closets and cabinets. So in here, the double is shelving and space for hanging items, which again, we have not done yet because we just arrived. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. So you can hang items in here, and there are extra sets of pillows. Put that the right way. And then in this middle unit, there is more shelving. So you see, we started putting our stuff up. And then there's a full fridge. In this fridge, there are mini fridge items that came with the room. So you'll see some of these drinks that are up here with glasses. And then there are other drinks, wines, and items, water in the fridge. We actually bought some additional items to put in here. So like our Schweppes and Fanta drinks, to have extra items to drink. But all of these are in the mini bar aspect of this room class. And then over here, this last unit, again, is another closet set with a safe, extra pillows for the couch, and other storage space. All right, moving into the bedroom area. Go ahead and forgive the fact that I put my pajamas out because, again, it's late and I am ready to get in the bed. But this is the bedroom. So you got nice mirrors. Again, the old Roman style art and paint and furniture. Very cute. I have my little speaker set up so we can have music if we wanted. Another amazing Juliet balcony that I'll show you guys. Again, this is my favorite part of the room, is being able to just open it up and go out onto the balcony to see the city sights and sounds every day. So I'm sure tomorrow morning I'll probably be out here looking at the city and listening to the sounds. Moving over it quickly. Yes, this is beautiful. We're on the side of Rome near the Villa Borghese Museum and Gardens. And so it is just really, really cool. Lots of businesses, great restaurants. They're actually very, very quiet. So we're enjoying being in this area of Rome at the Hotel Romanico Palace. What's this? And we got a decent queen size bed, 2 pillows, and there are televisions in here. So there's one mounted right here in the bedroom. It's even larger than the one that's in the living room. We can also pull these curtains if we wanted to have curtains closing off the living room and bedroom. And then there's the smaller TV, again, like I mentioned, that's mounted here. They do have satellite television, but note that it is all in Italian. So if you're expecting to be in Italy and watching TV in English, that's not going to happen. Bring a Fire Stick or some other adaptive device that you can watch programming in English. But again, they do have really nice mounted televisions for your use if you like. So that is the end of our junior suite tour. If you have any questions, please let us know. We are happy to answer any questions you may have, or if you want to leave your thoughts on this room, please do. But again, really nice, and we're very excited to be here.